Sawasdee krab. Welcome to KOH SAMUI Thailand. And this is Lamai, and this is another amazing place here in KOH SAMUI, and it's Valentine Stone and Lamai Viewpoint. It's a really beautiful place just after Macro, very close to the center of Lamai, Tesco, Macro. And let's take a look inside. You have to pay the cable car 100 baht if you want to go up by the cable car. It's really nice place. Look at this Valentine Stone. You can come here, relax. And now let's go up to the Lamai Viewpoint with the cable car, cable ride. If you want to go by foot, if you want to go walk up to the Lamai Viewpoint, the entrance fee is 50 baht. But if you take the cable car, then you have to pay 100 baht because it's include the entrance fee 50 baht and the 50 baht cable car. Wow. It's a really nice place. It's just behind Macro. It's incredible. That's the beauty of Samui. Yeah, the beach, the jungle, the waterfall, the viewpoint, the Valentine Stone, grandfather, grandmother, so many beautiful, amazing places you can see here. Just 5-minute ride. So you have to climb a little if you want to go to the cable car. So if you not take the cable car, you have to walk all the way. And it's a really long walk, especially when it's hot. So if you come here for 50 baht more, I really recommend the cable car. Hello, Sawasdee krab. You can walk all the way up or take the cable car. Sawasdee krab. ขอบคุณครับ Cable car go all the way up. Trust me, you not want to do it by foot. Let's go. Lamai Viewpoint. Let's go up, all the way up. If you not go up, you need to climb. So to go upstairs, I take the cable car. To go downstairs, I will take the stair. Like that, you will see the difference. Wow, the view is incredible. The view is just crazy. They also have a zip line. And this is it. Already upstairs. So this is already the view when you go out the cable car, and then you have to climb a few stairs to go there in the Lamai Viewpoint upstairs. Now let's take a look. Watch out the stairs. There you go. So this is the viewpoint. This is the Lamai Viewpoint. Cable car. Lamai beach there. All the way. It's an amazing view. Really need to come to see this place if you come in KOH SAMUI, Lamai Viewpoint. It's surrounded by jungle. It's so beautiful. And the restaurant is really nice. Oh, zip line and the roof. Okay, thank you. So as she told me, you can climb a little more stair and then you get to the roof. Wow, it's stunning. Here's the toilet. Now let's take a look around in the jungle. Wow, that's really amazing. Oh, so this is the zipline part of the jungle. Let's take a look inside the jungle. Wow, like a jungle. You can trek in here. Yes, this is the zipline. Wow, as you can see, you go all the way there. There is a wood cabin there, and the zipline goes all the way there. Wow, must be something. Now let's go back downstairs. And let's go back all the way downstairs to the parking area. Like that you will see why it's much better if you take the cable car, if you pay 50 baht more to take the cable car. Very nice view, so super nice. It's really incredible. Downstairs? Oh,
Yep, downstairs.
oh no, I walk.
You wanna walk?
I wanna walk until the parking area.
Okay.
So take care. Thank you very much. Kapungga. See you soon. Thank you.
See you soon.
Everybody is always very nice here. Now let's go all the way down. I think I get it in the wrong way. Oh, the stair is the other way, just behind the cable car. Voilà. Have the cable car here, and then let's go downstairs. Never give up. It means what it means. Half the way you're gonna won't give up. It's really high, really far. And when you climb the stair, it's even more hard when it's hot, such as today or the dry season, because it's now the dry season. Lush jungle, surrounding by lush jungle. So you can go by this way or by this way. Much more faster when go down the stair than climb the stair. That's the cable car. And that was Valentine Stone and Lamai Viewpoint, because it's on the same place, so you can come here to see Valentine Stone and Lamai Viewpoint for 50 baht the entrance, and with the cable car 50 baht more, which is 100 baht total. Hope you like the ride. Hit the like button. Subscribe now to see the last update of the situation here. It's the end of March. In a few days, situation should change in a much positive way, because the restrictions are less now to come in Thailand. So subscribe now to see the last update, and see you tomorrow for the next video.